So here it is. It looks like a regular Oreck XL vacuum cleaner, just like we've always had before. But this one, for some reason, makes an awful smell. Every time you run it, even for a few minutes, it'll start smelling something awful. Check the belt. It's not the belt. Doesn't seem to be anyway. Replace the belt. That didn't make any difference. So I think it has to be something in the motor inside here. So I don't know what the solution is, but we really like these Oreck.
Put the power button on to engage it with your foot. Makes a popping noise. Here. Goes off. Here. You press the button. You make a popping noise.